Hello folks, I just want to talk to you briefly today about Euro NCAP and why current Euro NCAP scores probably don't mean what you think they mean. There's been a couple of high profile cases of late, the latest one being the Dacia Jogger. Dacia? It's only scored 1 star on the Euro NCAP. When you actually look into it, and the Euro NCAP website's very good by the way, so you can go in and see all the reports for all the cars. It's really got that star rating because of the fact it's missing a couple of safety technology things. And when I say safety technology, I mean really kind of modern safety technology things like collision warning systems and where the car will apply brakes if it thinks you're going to have a crash and things like that. Obviously there's a value to those things, but if you look at a car that's say 5 years old and had a 5-star Euro NCAP, probably today that would be a 1 or a 2. The other thing to mention is when you look at the scores for that Jogger, they didn't even crash one. And I think most people, like me, are most concerned with how the thing performs in a crash. So that's when they literally chuck it against the wall at high speed. You know, how safe are the occupants of the car when it has a crash? They didn't even use that car. They used a Sandero stepway and based the results for the Jogger on the results of the crash for that car. So as I said, just use the Euro NCAP website if a star rating is putting you off, and you can read the full report, everything's detailed, and you can see if the things that it's kind of missing are important to you, or if it has all the safety features you would expect from your car. Just a quick one for you folks, please do still give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you next time.